Hello, welcome to Cars 3 Kids. Today we will be reviewing Roadette Marker, the first new release of 2024. So on the packaging, it has the Cars logo there. There is her artwork. And there's a front. There's like a stadium behind her. It has new for 2024 logo on it. There's her name on front of the tie track. Then there's the metal logo down here. Then there's 3+ Mattel over there. On the top bottom, it says "As seen in Cars on the Road." Has the metal logo on the back and see the Richard McQueen expression variant, Pit Stopasaurus, Scripted Buster Mater, Motto, Mallory Cara, and Am Rodriguez. Then have some other random stuff. This is made in Thailand, the Mattel logo. Okay. So without further ado, let's bust her out of the packaging. So here she is out of the packaging. So starting off, you can see she's got around here, and then she's got the red things that's put that's the Britannia smile. Then you have these front lights at the front. Then you not really anything on the roof other than like it for where the hood is. And then on the sides, over here, your rearview mirrors are yellow, and then got these like purple soil here. This kind of like a more soil here, and you kind of right over here. Then go along here, and then this part behind this is yellow. Then on the roof has these two like painted out eyebrows here. They got this yellow like spoiler thing on here. And it's also on, Harumi, Suki, and Chisaki, and Ichigo, who all have the same model as Roadette here. Yeah. It has these red tires. It has some little, like, blue circles on the back, up here in the back of her roof. Got her taillights here, some more swirls around here, and then her license plate, which is upside down. So I'm gonna have to flip it over. I don't actually know if this is how it is in the show, but on it says, I think it said C0A 1 D 16F, is that what it says? Jeez.
C0816F.
Okay. So that's Roadette here. Now we're gonna bring up the other clowns. So here we got Kelly Beambright, we got Claire Gunzer, Greebles, and also the circus stunt performer, along with some Alice Kay, May, Ivy, the circus stunt plane, and Harlem Haynes. And then here are all the circus cars together. So that's it for this video. Remember to like, subscribe. Bye.